Hey. Okay. So today I'm down here in Astor Place, kind of close to the NYU campus, in East Village of Manhattan. There's a lot of bars and restaurants around here. Don't have to really do too much as far as like going too far, exploring the area. It's all pretty close. I mean, you even got some of those hookah spots that you can like find late night after you eat. You know, there's definitely lots of spots around here, so just keep that in mind. Two Brothers Pizza, that's what's up right there. It's a good spot. Then we got Barcade right here, which is an awesome spot actually. After you want to get food, you go there, get some drinks, and just play arcades all day, you know? And it's only 2 blocks away from the apartment. So you can definitely crawl back home if you're drunk. And once you walk in, this is the main door. You do have 2 bedrooms right here, right across from each other. They both have that gloss finish on the windows, so it adds for privacy. And both of them do face the outside patio deck, which I will show you later on. And they're also private. It's not as loud as these other 2. I do apologize that low battery beeping sound has been going off non-stop, so just bear with me on that one. And again, right here, this is the living room. It does have the nice exposed brick that every single room does have here. It also has the one bathroom in the entire apartment right here. So if you are watching a show or just Netflix and chilling with somebody and your roommate has to go drop a deuce, you might want to get like a radio or something to put in there because you're right here. Everyone's gonna hear everything that's going on here. Just keep that in mind. Little things, you know? And right here you have a wall which has the TV cable line, which will probably be where you're gonna put the TV, right? Put up on the wall or get like a TV stand. And up to you to decide how you want to do the furniture. So this is the kitchen of this 4-bedroom. It definitely has the stainless steel appliances going on, but one thing right here is the game changer is that dishwasher. I mean, even if it's just like saving you 3 pans, 4 pans, whatever it is, that's still a lot less work than you have to do by hand. Trust me, I don't have a dishwasher and it sucks. So it's definitely a plus. And also, if you're an alcoholic or someone who likes to drink on weekends like myself, this guy right here is a wine fridge. But it's not a bad kitchen. Definitely has appliances that you wouldn't expect every apartment in New York City to have. The fridge isn't bad. Somebody left their water in here. Should I try it? Maybe not. But yeah, the fridge is okay. It's not the biggest fridge, as you can see here. For 4 people, that might be a little bit of a squeeze, but again, you guys can probably try to like figure out who gets what shelf, call dibs on the top one, whatever you want to do. And right across from the kitchen, literally not right across, I mean literally an arm length away from the sink, you have the washer dryer in unit. All right, so I like the bathroom. It is pretty new, but it's one tiny bathroom for 4 roommates, so definitely keep that in mind. There is a stand-up bathroom here with what looks like, I don't know why they have that. It's not a tub. I guess to clean like your clothes when you have like a night where you're drunk and throwing up all over yourself. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, this is nice exposed tile. Looks pretty new. You have a lot of cabinet space here. You have even this little medicine cabinet on top of the medicine cabinet right here, which is definitely a perk. Also, you have mirrors all over the bathroom. So you can definitely see what you look like. No excuses to say you're not beach body ready or that COVID did this to you. You know, there's literally no reason to say that. You have mirrors everywhere, so keep that in mind. And yeah, it's not bad. It's just, it's very tight. For 4 people, that might be something you want to think about at this price point. Second bedroom is kind of similar to that first one, except an exposed brick on the back wall over here. And again, looking at the First Avenue, the front door is right down there. You do have a fire escape, which I'm sure you might be able to put like a plant or something out there if it's small, you know, as long as it's not blocking the way. But again, it's really up to you if that's gonna really be a problem. Also, you do have the closet right behind this door. So it's 7 feet 4 inches by 8 feet 8 inches, 8 feet 7 inches. So it's definitely smaller than the other one. Again, you would probably work that out with your roommates to see, you know, how much you're paying. Oh, look at that. You got a coat hanger. Again, all the rooms have the exposed brick, which to me is luxurious. All right, we get it. All of it is luxurious considering Queens, we really don't have that. We're looking at 10 feet 4 inches by 8 feet in this back room over here. Again, this is probably the biggest one. Just by looking at it, it does feel more spacious. It doesn't have as much light though. You do have this door peeking into the backyard, I'm assuming. Maybe a little creeper and look. Oh yeah, there it is. The light is being blocked though because you have like a little alleyway kind of thing going on here. The other room is right, the other side of the building is right there. So there's not as much natural sunlight that comes through. So keep that in mind. You definitely will need that light on, but it does feel bigger. And again, it does have an AC as well as the HVAC unit right here for the heat. Yeah, I'd say all the closets are pretty much the same size. Not gonna make a big difference. And last, we got this room right here, which is super dark because the light is not working right now. I'm sure they're still renovating it right now for the next tenants to come in. But again, it's not too different, nothing new here to show you. Got the exposed brick. I don't see an air conditioner, so that's something, but you could probably put one right there in the window. It does have a window here, unlike the other one I just showed you, which definitely should add more sunlight. It's just, I don't know why right now, maybe it's just not coming through. But you do have also a door to the backyard. It looks like it's a private backyard, which is pretty dope for New York City. Again, you don't really have a deck like this, which is probably why the rent is a little bit higher because let's face it, in New York City, any extra 100 square feet you get, you're definitely paying for it. The closet, same size as the others. Let's do a check on this guy. So it's 8 feet 7 inches by 9 feet 4 inches, if you could read that right there. So it's definitely not the biggest room, but not the smallest either. So it's really up to you to decide what you're looking for. All right, so there's definitely a lot of room back here. I mean, and there's even sunlight coming out now, as you can see this. I mean, you're sharing it with, kind of you're in the middle of all these other buildings that surround it. So as you can see, 17 feet 9 inches by 12 feet. So that's a lot of room. You could definitely, I don't know if the building allows it, but you can get like a barbecue back here, a table, maybe a small cornhole. If you guys are terrible at cornhole, you know, you could do like that 3 feet across just to practice, or even like a hammock or something, you know. I mean, the weather today is really nice. It's like 40 degrees, which isn't so bad. So you could definitely get a nice barbecue going back here. But again, the fact that you could share 2 doors, you know, 2 bedrooms, get access to this backyard. Just make sure if you're doing something you don't want that other person to see, you got to get some blinds on that bad boy, and over here too. Otherwise, everyone's gonna know what's going on. So that wraps up my first preview of my first apartment here in New York City. Again, I'm just like 1 week in as a real estate agent. But if you do like my style of videos or editing, please feel free to subscribe. leave a comment down below as well. I like all comments. If you're trashing me, go for it. That's how I learn, honestly. So I really appreciate it, guys. Stick around, all right?